because it's just basically filling in space. It's a little too dark. And on there, I've got the trees and everything moving up. We're going to have a few that's come out like this. And it's just a yellow, red, blue kind of back and forth. Change it up. Add a little of this, a little of that. And then let's, for the most part, that's filled in there. Let's save this light on the tree. That. Okay. And while it's wet, I'm going to add some of these yellows in here, browns. Stir it to a green. Prefer that. I like the green a little better. Just add it right in when it's wet.
So now you could probably sell that for $2,000-3,000.
I know, it already looks so good.
Well, that would be wonderful.
You'd be entirely for that one, right?
I'm up for that. I have 3 kids, and one's in college and 2 in high school. And
Do they paint?
our middle daughter paints well.
Really?
Kelsey, she
Yeah, she travels with him too sometimes,
yeah,
doesn't she?
she'll paint on stage
How old
with
is
me
she?
once in a while. She just turned 16 2 days ago.
Oh, fun.
So
She takes that after dad.
yeah, she's kind of let the painting go though the last couple of years. So
That's because she's 16.
yeah, I think so. I hope so. She's just like, hey,
Wasn't that too, that is she the one with the horse?
that's our youngest daughter.
That's your youngest.
Yep. So she's got that going on. So yeah, if you buy a painting for me, it'll help us buy horse hay.
So where did you go to school?
I went to,
University, Minnesota?
River Falls.
Oh, River Falls.
For undergrad in science education, I was a science teacher for 7 years in Hopkins,
Oh,
and I taught junior high mostly, and I loved it. I would draw everything out for the kids. I'd draw the skeleton riding a motorcycle. Did you? Yeah.
in New Hopkins, well.
Yep. I taught at North Junior High.
They probably loved you. You kept it interesting.
I don't know. Yes, it depends on the day, I suppose. But I love them. I think they enjoyed my class. So I draw a lot of this stuff out, and then I would teach after school art classes for fun to the community. Let's see. So, if I go back to this and I'm looking at it, my mind is going to tell me, you got to get more detail. But then I'll go over here. What color is a rock? It's probably kind of grayish, right? So gray is just a combination of the 3 primaries, red, yellow, blue. That's all it is. You can get a warm gray like this. It's a brownish gray. Or you can get a bluish gray by adding more blue, a cool gray. And that's probably what you need for that rock. Something like that. Let's see, that was our birch, right? And since I have some of this middle value, just add a little bit in here. A few spots. This is where the painting can start to go bad because you start overworking it, and that is the death of a painting. This area is not the focal point, so let's just keep it kind of obscure.
So you add more detail to the focal point
Yep,
and keep the
and
rest.
less to the
just
other
kind of
places.
plainer.
Right, so these sunlit areas, is that going to be kind of yellow and lit up? Something maybe, like that. We could mix some more green. Cadmium yellow is a bossy pigment that will push its way into others, but it's not very dominating once you go over it with a blue or a red. But it has teeth, so to speak, pushes down in because it's a semi-opaque pigment. And the transparent pigments are not very strong, like cobalt, French, burnt sienna, permanent rose. So let's suggest just a few leaves here. That's it. See, I've got a large mass, and then the edge, just suggest a few leaves.